Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the scene and protecting people. First, confirm no one needs emergency care and call 911 if so. Once safe, turn on hazards and place 2 warning triangles to prevent secondary collisions. Next, document the crash thoroughly with photos of all angles, VIN, plates, and other vehicles. This preserves evidence for insurance and repair planning. Finally, make a quick decision about towing versus driving short distance based on visible frame or fluid leaks. You now stabilize the vehicle for repair. First, disconnect the negative battery terminal to eliminate electrical fire risk and to preserve airbags and electronics. Then inspect under the car for leaking oil, coolant, or fuel. Contain any spills immediately because fluids worsen damage and hazards. Once fluids are addressed, examine visible structural and suspension components. Look for bent frame rails, misaligned wheels, cracked control arms, and broken light housings. These checks tell you whether you can do on-site. You create a repair plan focusing on safety-critical systems first: brakes, steering, airbags, and seat belts. Once you know damaged components, get 2 detailed repair quotes and order OEM or good aftermarket parts. Cheaper parts can cost more later. During repairs, follow torque specs and alignment procedures. Make sure electrical connectors and sensor calibrations are restored. After reassembly, you perform a cautious test drive. Listen for unusual noises, check for leaks, and confirm there is no steering pull and that warning lights stay off.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.